Okay, so I got it off early. I'm gonna take a little time to myself, but I figured I'd address my crack while I, dick around inside and do my own thing. So it's gonna be very crude the way that I'm gonna do this. A lot of people might have some problems with how I do it, but I don't care. So we're just gonna bust this out. I'm just gonna beat it with a fucking hammer. Excuse me, a friggin' hammer. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna mix up some mortar and slap it in there and call it a friggin' day, man. You know? This bag was outside and got buried by two 20-inch snowstorms, and it's still good. So that's a good sign. Also, today, I almost had a few oops at work. And they could have been pretty bad oops. But God was on my side. I took that as a sign that I should be very grateful. I should practice, gratitude a little more than I normally do. That's not cool, though. That just shattered.
And here we see an unfortunate baby back bitch, pathetically swinging its purse in a feeble attempt to break free the rubble in order to make a crucial repair to its den.
All right, back to me. Yeah, that was not my best or my finest David Attenborough, but we're getting back on the impressions. My voice is back, but it's slowly changing again. Anyway, yep, so we're getting it out. I should probably speed this video up a little bit, but I'm trying to make that 10-minute mark, baby. You know what I'm saying? All right, so does anybody else when they're watching a show kind of get way too immersed in it? Way too immersed in it, it becomes a part of your life, and I don't know how to describe it. I'm watching Vikings, and I just feel like I'm supposed to die in battle now. Like I'm supposed to die on a hill. Working for a paycheck seems pointless now. I need to just go to battle. In the snow, with very little armor on. Yeah, I don't know. Just random thought. All right. Let's, clean that crack up, buddy. Oh, yeah. Get all up in there with that hose. So, I don't know. Well, I know you can't hear it because it's all sped up, but I was bitching about my back hurting this whole friggin' time. That and my wrist. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but here we go. This, bag of shit, mortar is stuck outside for 2 snowstorms. I don't know if I already said that in the beginning of the video. I probably did. But fuck it. Mix it up real good. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I really wish I had a paddle. This guy's kind of smoked me, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm used to mixing up grout. You need to use a hand because it can't be aerated or something like that. So, yeah, just a fun little fact for you, I guess. Yeah. Can't go in dry. Just like getting in a lady's crack. Gotta get her nice and wet. Oh, can't say that. I gotta bleep that out. Oh well. Yeah, maybe I won't. Probably won't. Ugh. Crude joke, very crude joke. But you know what? That's me. We're not censoring me. You either love me or you don't. So, yeah. When you hit it with water, I think it opens up the pores and stuff and just makes it a good adhesion. It also, kicks down the dust. I don't know the science behind it, really. Maybe I should look that up. But whatever. There's the extent of my knowledge for you people. Take it as you will. Now, I'm looking at this big crack as a giant grout line and tile. when you are grouting tile, you kind of want to swipe in on an angle so it actually like works itself into the grooves as opposed to just going straight along the line, because then you end up pulling the material away. So I'm really trying to squish it in there, fill all those voids, because I don't know if you can tell, but that spot, excuse me, that spot like kind of in front of the bucket, adjacent to the bucket, now definitely in front of the bucket, is undermined. I think it was like a patch or a slab that they poured later, like in addition to the garage or something. I have no idea. Probably not, but it's just a fucked up spot. And yes, we're fixing it. You guys like my commentary so far? Is this doing it for you? Any hooser. Yeah, we're gonna try and do more content like this, I guess. It's important. It's what the people want. It's what the fans crave. I don't know what you people want. Yeah, by this point, I'm pretty smoked. Getting tired. There's a lot in the bucket this time around. I actually had a lot of waste. Excuse me. You guys are gonna hear that all the time. Me hacking up a lung. Holla. That silicosis coming in full effect, baby. Early onset COPD. No mask needed. Look at that spin technique. Wow. Yeah, good consistency, buddy. Ooh, oh yes. Put it in. Smush, smash, splop, ploop, plorp. Drip, drip, drap. Squeege, squeege, squeege. Ooh, give it some tappy tappies. That'll do it. Everything. I don't know why, dude, but like when I'm working with spackle sometimes and stuff like this, it just looks yummy. Like I want to eat it. I don't know. It's not good. Not the taste. It's just not good to think like that. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm not doing it, but yeah. Enough of that. Yeet. Yes, yeet the crumbs, my son. Yeet them into the oblivion. So this is pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, when you're a kid and you're playing with mud, making little ramps for your trucks and stuff. Dude, who remembers Tonka trucks? They're fucking made out of metal. They're not made out of metal anymore. You know how many freaking kids... Dude, split my eyebrow with one of those, man. They were heavy, too. They were like freaking 15 pounds. They were no joke. They were trucks. The trucks were trucks. Now everything's fucking plastic when you think about it. Anyway, yeah, it's fun smushing this stuff around. Maybe I'd be good at making cake. I could make my cake and have it too. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at me smoothing that out. Damn, son. Lapping me up like a slab of cement, baby. Come on. All right, that's getting way too sensual sounding. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say, people. We got it done, and just doing some fine-tuning over here. Ooh, I'm excited. Hopefully your boy can just, roll all over the place now. I'm going to put wheels on everything. Who said fucking Heelys yesterday? Audra? Yeah, Audra. I'm getting Heelys. Not for real, though. I want to get, one of those handicap wheelchairs that you can operate by blowing into it. How sick would that be? Just wheeling myself around the freaking garage. Is that insensitive? Is that insulting for me to say that? Not like making fun of disabilities. I just think your rides are rad, bro. What are you talking about? Soup them up. It does look pretty nice. I hope it comes out good. I haven't even gotten that back out there yet. I'm kind of letting it dry. Maybe I should throw a heater on too. The floor is definitely cold. Nah, whatever. We'll wait it out. Look at that squat, bro. I was told that if I squat like that all the time, my back will never hurt. That person was a goddamn liar. All right, enough complaining. This is coming out good. It's looking great. It's a great day. Gods are good. And that's the fine tune, and I'm going to let you listen to nothing, because that's the end of the video. And